Welcome to another 60-second answers. The question is, can you print and cut on 4x6-inch sticker paper? The answer is yes, but there's no official way to do it. Even the workaround is pretty wasteful. Cricut has 5 print and cut sizes that you can use, the smallest 2 being letter and A4. When you set up your page for print and cut, as long as you keep your image within the size of the paper that you are using, the registration marks will move to surround only what you have placed on the page. Because of the registration marks, you need to be mindful about how large your design is. There's about a ½ inch from the top and left edges of the page to the start of the registration marks, and a little over a ¼ inch from the registration marks to your image. You also want to make sure that the bottom and right side of the registration marks are not cut off, which makes the usable area of 4x6 approximately 2¼ inches by 4½ inches. This method might be good for leftover scraps, but it's kind of wasteful otherwise. Let me know if you agree.